So hi guys, welcome to my channel AOV Animal of VFX. So today I'm going to show you how to use frequency separation, how to do frequency separation in Photoshop. Okay, so let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Siaram, Jai MERA, Bajrangbali. So now I have this image. So what I will do for now, I'll just duplicate this image for three times. I mean two times. Now just go to the second image and just go to this filter option and just go to this blur option and give this Gaussian blur. Now I will keep this 0 0.8, or you guys can you guys can type 1. So I'm give this 1. Now after this I will pick the second image and you guys can name it. Okay, just like I am giving the name image. Okay, now I take this image and I go to image and this apply option, apply image, just go to this, and in default it would be merge. Just click this your second image. Okay, no worries, and keep this multiply to subtract. Just keep this subtract, and here you guys can increase the scale option, but for now I am increasing 1. And in this offset it might be 0 or 1, something like that. Just give it 100. Okay, or maybe some little value or higher value you guys can give. Now after this just click OK. After OK, please select this image and you guys change this just blending option. Okay, if you guys play it overlay, you guys can. Okay, soft hard light. Okay, so hard light is also best. Linear light, so I am for now I am getting the more details in linear light, so I can give linear, but you guys can click a hard light also. So I give this linear light. Now after this what I have to do, I just take here from a brightness and contrast and just right click and keep this to clipping mask. Now just select this layer. Okay, just select this layer and or select this option and just increase the brightness. Now what you guys have to do, just on off this layer. Now you have to match the brightness and contrast, right? Not contrast properly, only the brightness, see, only the lighter value, right? You guys can take exposure also. It's almost met, right? It's fully match also. So I'm getting the details here. So what I'll do now, I will off this image. You guys can delete this also, but take this for safety purpose. I click this image, and now what I'll do, just zoom all the area which you want to use de-aging. Then just click C, or sorry, not C, just click this. Okay, because it's a new version of Photoshop, so don't click C. The shortcut is, I think, is okay. So what I'll do for now, I will select the layer. I mean this layer. There's two method you guys can do. First of all, select this layer and just hit. Okay, I mean just hit clone and do it, right? Just paint it. You guys can control this flow option. I just reduce this. Now see, nice, right? It's given too much nice result. You guys can do this, right? Just painting, or you guys can select just this lassos rule and just click this here, select the layer, and after this just select the properly pixel. Don't select randomly, select proper area. And guys, go to filter, now blur, go to Gaussian blur and give this image little bit higher values, right? And I hope it will work. See, it is working, right? It is working, but you have to match the edges, right? So just blending the edges. In this way your details will be preserved. Okay, in this way your details will be preserved, but you guys can remove the patches, right? See, I'm getting the patches here, so I'm taking the reference from here and just do this, right? So isn't it cool, right? It's a cool technique, right, in Photoshop. So those who want to do de-aging in Photoshop or retouching images, they guys can do, right, by this way. And it's done without any plugin, right? It's a inbuilt tool, right, in new version of Photoshop. So it's not a properly new version. I think it's maybe it might be 2022 or 2022. I think might be okay. But you guys can play with this, right? See, all the thing I can do de-aging. And any dark spot, if you guys want to, then just so come this spot healing tool and just minimize using just bracket in keyboard brackets. Okay, and just pick this, so it will remove, right? So just smaller the brush or it will remove the details also. Now see, it will remove the black areas, right? The pimples type kind of areas, right? See, isn't it good, right? So in this way you guys can remove all the areas, right? See, whatever black spot you want to remove, you can do. See, right? But don't give too much or it will just randomly patch. Okay, now see this. Okay, and they say I will take a clone tool ace and just randomly paint it, right? Not randomly, sorry, just paint it properly. Okay, there is not too much details in the default one, but in this image there is too much details because it's just taking all the areas. So as I told you guys, if you don't want this, you just put this off also. If you want to remove these edges, okay, just mask this. Okay, mask this also, and you guys can remove this from here. Just take this and click the brush, I mean swap the color and just remove this. Okay, You guys can remove this. See it's removing, right? Now if I just on the option, see, still is far, right? Just let me reduce the flow option. Now see, right, it's matching, right? Now it's coming, right? But I have done too much. I think I have done too much. Yes, I have done too much. Not to do too much. Okay, so for that, just maintain the purpose. Okay, just maintain the purpose. Just swap the color and just play it properly, right? Just play it properly. Don't give too much also. Since it's matched, right? See, it's matching. In that way, I can do, right? In that way, I can do, or I can do the retouching in my Photoshop, right? So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, so please subscribe to this new channel and please share this video to others. And thank you. Before ending this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera Bajrang Bali.